Getting the error "No signal" message on your Acer monitor, here are 4 ways to fix this issue. This is the Windows Club. There are several causes of the no signal issue on a monitor. Some of these include incorrect resolution, loose or disconnected cables, incorrect input selected, etc. Fortunately, you can quickly fix this issue by following these solutions. Let's get started. Method 1. Check cable connections. As mentioned above, improper cable connections is one of the reasons for the no signal issue on a monitor. Therefore, the first thing that you should do is check your cable connections. First, make sure that the cable is not loose. Unplug the video cable from both monitor and computer and plug it in again. Sometimes the no signal issue occurs if the monitor is not connected to the correct video source. This generally happens if your monitor supports multiple inputs. If you have connected multiple computers to one monitor, make sure that the video cable is connected to the correct source. Method 2. Check your cable. If despite connecting the cable correctly, you are still getting the no signal issue on your monitor, your cable may be damaged. You can check this by connecting your computer and monitor with another video cable. Method 3. Check video source and monitor. Sometimes we turn on the monitor but forget to turn the computer. The monitor displays a no signal message until it receives a valid video signal from the computer or source. If your computer is turned on and you have checked cable and cable connections, but still you are getting no signal on display, either your computer or your monitor is not functioning properly. First, connect another display with your computer, or connect the same display with another computer. This way, you can eliminate hardware issues causing this error. Method 4. Reset your system BIOS to default. If you have tried all the troubleshooting methods explained above, but the issue is not fixed, resetting the system BIOS to default can help. For this, you need to enter the BIOS using the BIOS key. This key differs among manufacturers, but is usually F2, F8, F9 or Escape key. Once here, under the Exit tab, I could see a Load Setup Defaults option. You could select it using the arrow keys and hit Enter. Or you could simply hit the F9 key to display a white screen that says Load Default Configuration Now. Click on Yes, will reset the BIOS settings. Remember to press F10 to save and exit. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.